Hi everybody, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this super cool leaf blower. I mean, this thing looks like it was designed by someone from NASA. This thing is super cool looking. Look at this futuristic design of this guy. I mean, this is a nice ergonomic one handheld design, high performance, brushless motor that does have a couple of different tricks up its sleeve. One is you've got this nice nozzle here that is an adjustable nozzle so that when you're doing it, you can either have maximum speed or maximum volume that actually can blow out quite a bit of air, and it'll be a wider disbursement, or you can actually funnel it down to a full 720 CFMs, which is the cubic feet per minute of air that this is going to push through, including the turbo button. So it does come with a 4 amp hour battery that's a 20 volt battery, and it does have a USB-C cable that they do provide with you for quick charging that. Even the battery is a neat design, which I'm really liking how all this is coming together. You charge it up right there on the side, simply lock this into place, and this whole thing weighs less than 3 pounds. So it is a very lightweight design. Let's go ahead and give this thing a try. I've got some debris out here on the ground, and let's go ahead and crank this thing up. I mean, that's going to make some short work of some ground debris there if you're working garden, or if you're going to be clearing snow off your car. This would be a great addition for anybody's yard.